In functional film production, the coating process is a key factor that determines product performance and consistency. Today, we talk about three mainstream coating techniques: slot, die coating, Gravure coating, and comma coating. Slot, die coating. This is a non-contact, high-precision coating method. It uses a precision slot, die head to extrude liquid uniformly onto the substrate with controllable thickness and excellent repeatability. It's ideal for high-viscosity liquids like optical adhesives or battery slurries, and offers thickness uniformity with uniformity with N21%. Best for high-end film applications or multilayer coatings. Gravure coating. Gravure coating transfers liquid using engraved roller cells, achieving speeds up to 500 meters per minute. It works well with low-viscosity solvent-based coatings or UV adhesives. It's fast and allows customizable patterns, but Gravure rollers wear out easily and are costly to replace. Comma coating. Comma coating controls the coating thickness via a gap between the blade and the substrate. It's simple and low cost. It suits medium to low viscosity liquids, offers flexible thickness control, and is ideal for small batch multi-variety production. However, it requires skilled setup to avoid streaks or edge buildup at higher speeds. Summary: choosing the right coating method depends on your fluid type, process needs, and production capacity. Need high precision? Go with slot, die coating. Need speed? Gravure coating performs faster, budget sensitive. Comma coating is flexible and cost effective. Is your current coating method really the best fit? Let's talk. We don't just supply functional films. We help you optimize your process and recommend matching coating structures. Contact us today to explore our full range of functional films and coating solutions.